keep it.
Modern computer setups have been evolving at an incredible rate recently, and choosing the right gadgets and accessories is the most important part of putting together an amazing setup. But simply scouring over the internet in search of the right ones is simply overwhelming and not to mention tricky, as there are dozens of products which simply aren't worth your money. So we have compiled a list of very cool and functional gadgets and accessories for your dream setup. All links for the products in this video are provided in the description box. With its PVC soft fan blades for safety, a 40 cm long metal flexible neck for adjustable positioning, and LED real-time display, the ONXC LED USB clock fan is the gadget your workplace has been missing. Setting it up is extremely easy. You simply have to plug it to any USB port on a notebook or PC and press the conveniently placed power switch to enjoy a gentle refreshing breeze. You can also simply plug it in a power bank or power brick and it will still work perfectly. Gently adjust the flexible neck to position the cool breeze to anywhere you wish. Then simply sit back and enjoy the gentle breeze, while also keeping tab on your time on the futuristic looking LED real-time clock display. No driver installation is required. The clock keeps track of time even when it's switched off, so you don't have to set it every time you use it. And setting the time is very easy too. Small size, big features. The K65 RGB Mini delivers big features compressed into a 60% form factor to easily fit into even the tightest of spaces for comfortable gaming. Powered by Corsair Axon hyper-processing technology, it transmits your inputs to your PC up to 8 times faster than conventional gaming keyboards with 8000 Hz hyperpolling. 100% Cherry MX speed RGB silver mechanical key switches, gives you lightning fast response times with a 1.2 mm actuation distance, registering up to 4 times faster than standard mechanical keyboards with Corsair Axon. Personalize your play, show off your style with dynamic bokeh RGB backlighting, as well as an optional included radiant spacebar and Corsair logo key along with the standard bottom row layout. PBT double shot keycaps allows for a precision molded keycap set that resists wear, fading, and shine, with 1.5 mm thickness for rigid stability. With all these features packed in its 60% form factor, there is nothing to dislike about the K65 RGB Mini, so get yours now and take your gaming to the next level. The Razer Tartarus V2 gaming keypad is yet another gadget that will take your gaming to an even more absolute level. With its high-performance mecha membrane switches, it provides the tactile feedback of mechanical key press, on a comfortable soft cushioned membrane rubber dome switch suitable for gaming. It comes with 32 mecha membrane keys for more hotkeys and actions, which are perfect for gaming or integrating into creative workflows with fully programmable keys. The 8-way directional thumb pad also allows for more natural controls, suitable for console-oriented players and a more ergonomic experience. With its fully programmable macros, Razer Hypershift allows for all keys and key press combinations to be remapped to execute complex commands. Ultimate personalization and gaming immersion with Razer Chroma allows for full sync with popular games. Razer hardware, Philips Hue, and gear from 30+ partners, and supports 16.8 million colors on individually backlit keys. Add this gaming keypad along with the Corsair K65 RGB Mini gaming keyboard to your setup, and you'll get yourself the ultimate gaming experience. And if streaming is your thing, you know good sounding audio quality goes a long way, and that's exactly where the HyperX Quadcast gaming microphone comes in. This radiant microphone comes in stunning red lighting and dynamic effects for an eye-catching shot of customizable style. With its built-in anti-vibration shock mount, it isolates the mic and suppresses the sound of unintentional rumbles and bumps with the elastic rope suspension. You can use the convenient tap to mute functionality to prevent an audio accident, along with the help of the LED mic status indicator. If the light is on, the mic is active, and if the light is off, the mic is muted. Simple as that. With its 4 selectable polar patterns, it allows you to choose between 4 polar patterns: stereo, omnidirectional, cardioid and bidirectional, to optimize your broadcast setup and keep the focus on the sounds you want to be heard. Adjusting your mic's sensitivity has never been this easier too. Easily turning the dial at the bottom of the Quadcast gives you control over how high or low you want the mic's sensitivity to be. Versatile adapter fits 3/8 inch and 5/8 inch threaded setups, which is compatible with most mic stands or boom arms, and the internal pop filter helps block plosive sounds from hitting the mic, and you can monitor the mic via the headphone jack. Get great sound whether you're connecting to a PC, PS5, PS4, or Mac. Quadcast is certified by Discord and TeamSpeak, and works on major streaming platforms like Streamlabs, OBS, OBS Studio, and XSplit. This is a superior and must-have mic setup for all of you streamers out there to make your content stand out from the competition. So get yours today from the link below and make your content sound professional.